I want you to name a TV show, a film, and a commercial that was shot in the last 5 years that doesn't have a drone shot, right? It's almost impossible to escape the use and the potential of drones when it comes to cinematography and photography.
This class has definitely been able to provide me with like the fundamentals that I definitely need to be able to control the drones and feel a lot more comfortable for sure. Taking a class like this, I think anyone who's interested in filmmaking should take it. Like, you have a lot more like maneuverability. If you want to like track someone, you don't have to worry about running behind them with a camera.
So I've watched tons of television shows and films where drone footage was used, and I was always in awe at the beautiful aerial shots.
Being able to look down at the screen and just seeing the kind of professional videos that you see in like nature documentaries or Netflix documentaries, and you just think, wow, I can do the same thing too. Like, it doesn't need to be this whole big production necessarily. So that's been really fun.
With drones, I mean, naturally, everyone in the movie industry is using drones, right? So construction, real estate, you know, the list goes on and on with the things that you could possibly do with drones.